Hello my crafty friends! Today I will show you how to easily and very quickly make a butterfly keychain with a crochet hook. This is a keychain even a beginner can make. You can even give it to someone. It will be one of the fastest made gifts in the world. Actually, you can use it not only as a keychain, but for example to decorate a Christmas tree. I don't have a tree, so I made a keychain. You can use any yarn. I use shiny yarn. It looks brighter that way. If you use classic yarn, it's more cute and calm. We will need yarn, crochet hook. I use number 2. But if you want a bigger butterfly, for example, you can use 3 or 3.5. Let's begin. Make a magic green. Now make 6 half double crochet stitches into it. Close our magic ring with a slip stitch. First, we tighten the ring by pulling the thread. Insert the hook into the first loop and make 1 slip stitch. Now make 10 chain stitches. After making them, insert the hook into the next loop and make 1 slip stitch. Now again make 10 chain stitches. Connect again and insert the hook into the next loop and make 1 slip stitch. Now repeat again 10 chain stitches. Slip stitch into the next loop on the magic ring. And for the last time, make 10 chain stitches and connect to the next loop. If you need a written pattern, it's available on my YouTube channel in the notes section. Just go to the information section on my YouTube channel. We should get 4 bases for the wings. It's time to crochet the butterfly's wings. Now make 1 chain stitch and turn our work. Insert the hook into the opening made of 10 chain stitches and make a single crochet. Then make 2 half double crochet stitches. Next 3 double crochet stitches. Now make a treble crochet stitch like this. Now 4 chain stitches. And make 1 slip stitch into the very first chain stitch. We have crocheted half of the wing. Now we will repeat everything but in reverse order. 1 treble crochet stitch, 3 double crochet stitches, 2 half double crochet stitches, and 1 single crochet. Here is our first wing. Look how beautiful it's. You are great. You have already managed to crochet this. Now we will crochet the second wing. Exactly the same way. I will not leave you and I will show you again how to do it. Insert the hook into the second space made of 10 chain stitches. Make a single crochet. Then make 2 half double crochet stitches. Next, 3 double crochet stitches. Now make a treble crochet stitch. Now 4 chain stitches. And make 1 slip stitch into the first chain stitch. Repetition is everything. Now we will repeat everything but in reverse order. 1 treble crochet stitch, 3 double crochet stitches, two half double crochet stitches, and 1 single crochet. Here is our second one. Connect to the next chain of chain stitches and make one single crochet. Next we make the two remaining wings exactly the same way. I think you can manage without me now, but if anything you always have a video. We have crocheted our butterfly. Now it only remains to make a chain for the keychain. We have two unworked loops left. Now we insert the hook into the first loop and make a single crochet and crochet chain stitches. The number depends on how long you want it. For example, you can make 10 or you can make 20. And after that, you connect the chain to the second untouched loop and make a single crochet or slip stitch. Now our keychain is completely ready. You can also attach metal hardware, but to my bag it can be attached without that. Here is such a cute and interesting keychain we have made. I will be glad to see you on my channel. By the way, on my channel there are bag tutorials where you can attach a keychain. I will be glad to see you again. Subscribe to see my new videos. Thank you for your watching, crafts women and men.